Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 109. Well, as you can see, I have the Bitcoin chart here. On weekly basis, I think that's the best to start the Weekly Crypto Review. Hey Adi, hey Andre, hey Mercurio, hey Michael, hey Ivan. Nice to see you guys. Not too many people still left in crypto, seems like. Most of most of the so-called investors, well, they just said enough is enough. I think this is the worst moment to give up, but well, just my opinion. Maybe they have a point. I don't know. For me, guys, it's hero or zero. I'm here until the end. Not financial advice, what to do with your own money. I'm just telling you what is my approach. Hey Peep, hey Menace. Okay, so weekly chart. Well, it's pretty obvious. 2024 by the dip. Now we have even a better dip on some altcoins. We touched 100k. I don't know why people hoped that 100k will be tested a couple of times and then will accept above. Come on, people. This was the dream of every Bitcoiner or crypto enthusiast. Yeah, and happened, and okay, it's clear that we need to fight, we need to stay and consolidate, maybe lose that level for a moment. What I see now, I see it's possible to retest, to Wyckoff check this level, maybe the previous all-time high. Imagine, and in this area we hoped to hold 69. And now we are upset that we are retesting as a support that level. Come on. Indeed, altcoins got destroyed, but nothing new. This time got destroyed a little bit more, but the same happened in the last cycles. I remember Cardano, I remember a lot of altcoins. Last cycle at the bottom, they had even a uglier sentiment. So don't worry about nothing new in the market. Hey Samuel. So on weekly basis, let's see how we'll close. We still have 8 hours until we'll close this candle. Well, it's not bullish, that's for sure. That means we can maybe next week we'll push here. Who knows? Higher time frame, I don't see any setup. I don't see anything. What I see the support at 70k. I see the Wyckoff check at that level. So market is $10,000 above. We rejected from this one. So seems logical to me to think about retesting this level. On lower time frame, well, we have other setups, other ideas, but weekly, it's important to see how this candle will close. I want to see the candle body close. We'll close lower, we'll close higher, we'll close a lot higher. We'll see. This was a nice one, nice rejection. Now we are retesting the previous week. If we'll accept below that week low, who knows? We'll see. So that's Bitcoin. Indicators, well, we had the bear divergence here on weekly. And I think that could produce a retest of the previous support. Why not? OBV is just following the price action. I don't see anything special. So if the market will accept here, well, let's hunt the next W. On higher time frame. On lower time frame, it's a bit different. Now, Ethereum, well, if we zoom out and we take the low from 22 and the high from 24 or 25, actually it's December 24. We just retested the 61.8. Everyone is panicking. Everyone is saying, well, look at that. And actually, Ethereum is just retesting a normal long relow zone. Indeed, Ethereum underperformed Bitcoin, but, well, has time to outperform at some point in time. Who knows? Who bought Ethereum at $100 is still okay-ish. 20x above. Why not? Hey BJ. So what I could see on Ethereum, like everyone else, I'll wait for a W. I said it weeks ago. Give me a W below 61.8 or here, lower, between 2000 1500. Give me a clear W, and then I could think about another pump, another bounce. Look at this last W, weekly W. Took some time to form from September, from August until November, but this one gave us a really nice result. Well, now we have to be patient again and expect the next W. The lower the better, people. So as a trader or as a position trader, when you play a setup, when you want to, you have a stop loss. The lower the better, the smaller the W the better. Look at this W. Huh? We want something like this here from October 22. This was not a correct W. Anyway, this was a big W. I don't like a W like this. So here I want a smaller one. I'll get it or not, I don't know. We'll see. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin on CME. Well, people, we closed here. Let's see where we'll open. Maybe we'll let a gap form. We can close all the way down here at 77 until the end of the day. I don't know. I don't know if it's possible. Now we're somewhere in here testing this week low. Who knows? Maybe next week we'll finally close this gap, do a Nycov check, and then we can continue higher. Who knows? As we said in the beginning of this year, expect high volatility. Well, this is high volatility. Look at the weekly candles. From 96 to 78, and now we have from 95 to 82. Let's see. Let's assume that this low will hold until the end of the week, and that's it. So high volatility, don't think it will get easier. No. In a bull market, it's not easy at all. Okay, now let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we retested this candle. We are in the long reload zone. Lower time frame, you can hunt a W if you want. I don't see a weekly W. Until I'll see a weekly W, I'm not assuming that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Not yet. If this level will hold and will form a W at 003, then okay, we have a weekly W. Until then, no. I still think 003 is a good level to think long. And this is all the price action below 003, it's actually a deviation. How long will last? I don't know. If I'm right, I don't know. We'll see. Bitcoin dominance. Well, on weekly you can see what I see here. This is a strong support at 60%. And seems like the market is bouncing from that level. We want to accept below that level to think altcoin season. Let's see how this week will close, and let's see how it will develop on lower time frame next week. If I put daily, you can see everything here, it's just a range from 62 to 60. So 2% range here, and the market is pushing up and down, up and down, up and down. I still think it's possible to touch 63 and then make an EM in the short reload zone. That would be nice. But also we can just slowly bleed below this range and accept below 60%. So step by step. Total market cap, let's put weekly back. So on total market cap, people, in my humble opinion, we are still damn bullish here. Look at it. On this chart, you see something bearish in the structure of the market? Beside this EM. Yeah, we have that EM in the top. But look at the structure of the market. You consider this one bearish? I don't. So I still consider that we are fighting $3 trillion with all the manipulation, everything, all the extraction they happened this year, and we are still there. And I think we can double this market cap. The total market cap would go from 2.5 to 5, and maybe even more. Yeah. The price is going down, but we see countries adopting Bitcoin. Something is off. Okay, it's buy the rumor, sell the news, but still. I don't see the public yet. So countries are adopting Bitcoin, price is going down, and I don't see the hype. I don't see the public, not even on altcoin. Something is off. Maybe I'm just stupid and I don't understand the market, but I don't think we'll see these prices on altcoins and Bitcoin for long. Even if we'll retest on Bitcoin, let's say we'll retest 70k, we'll not stay there forever. Anyway, total 3. Wyckoff checking this level, close enough to the long reload zone. We can push a bit lower. 70 billion is not a bad number here. It's not a bad number here. Then a W. I think we should wait for a weekly W on total 3 to even think altcoin season. We can reject from this level here, Wyckoff check, third time. Yeah, it's possible. Who pushed the market up 2 times could do it the third time also. Well, that's my overview, people. Not too many things I could say from last week until this week. Market is kind of the same. United States is forming, are making summits about Bitcoin. They're adopting Bitcoin. China will unban Bitcoin. Everyone will use Bitcoin and crypto, and the price is going down. Something is off. And we are not talking about some trader shilling Bitcoin. We are talking about United States saying that we'll create a reserve of Bitcoin and crypto. So I think it's an opportunity here. Even on Bitcoin, the lower it goes, the better it is. If the countries will adopt Bitcoin, yeah, even in the top of this bull market, Bitcoin could be double from this price. I don't know if I'll see more than double from 83 to 160. I think that could be the top. But still, I don't consider the top here at 83,000. I just don't see it. But who am I to judge the market? Just a stupid trader playing setups. Okay. Altcoins, if you look at the weekly chart, they are forming new lows, people. If you are an investor or a position trader, you should wait for daily, weekly Ws. You can see we are testing the lows. Every time when we touched this level, I took the first altcoin here. Every time when we touched this level, we bounced. This time will be different. I don't know. Similar here. Deep in the long reload zone. At the lows. This time is different. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. This trade here, for example. This was a trade on lower time frame, but you get the idea. Market pushing back at the lows. You want to make 10x, 100x, but you want to buy the top, not the bottom. In the same time, people, when you buy something on weekly chart, arm yourself with a lot of patience. Okay? I don't want to hear people, Haley, I don't want to hear people, well, I took the trade and next week I don't see any results. Sorry. I'll give you an example here because I see it here on AMP. Who bought, for example, this level in July 2024 had to see it from July until November, and then in November we see the breakout and the profit. So could be the same, could stay all summer here and consolidate. It's possible. If you consider yourself investor, position trader, you should arm yourself with a lot of patience. I'm not saying that you should buy this level and tomorrow you'll have the result. No. If you want to be a swing trader, to take the trade today and close the profit on the end of the week or next month, well, that's something different. But if you are an investor or a position trader, patience, a lot of patience. Market, look left, just look left and you'll understand. Market is usually bouncing, but takes time until it will bounce. Let's take something more serious. For example, AVAX. Okay, look at here. From June 2022 until November 23. Well, a little bit of time. And then we bounce from from $10 actually. This was the level. This is the area where I load up AVAX. I still have AVAX. I'm still playing setups on AVAX here. Okay. Could go back down to retest this W? Well, it's possible. Why not? Let me show you an example. It's a Wyckoff check level. So, $12, $11, more than possible. What I have on lower time frame, because I spoke about this AVAX, you don't see it here. I have to put 4-hour chart. I think we broke the low and I'm out. Well, seems like, yeah, no, I'm still in the trade. I took this W here. I could see as an investor, for example, on weekly chart, I could see someone saying, well, we dumped from $50, $60, we dumped to 20. I could start a dollar cost averaging plan here and wait a couple of months, maybe 1 year, and then sell half on a double and keep the rest. Possible. Probable to happen. You can stay here for months underwater and the market price to go all the way down to $12. Yeah, it's possible. Sorry, people. I could go on the entire list here. As you know, I bought a little bit higher. Weekly W retest. I'm happy with the levels. I'll add more only if Bitcoin will 1 second. Only if Bitcoin will retest that, Wyckoff check that level. If I'll see Bitcoin in the 70k area, 69, I'll add more to my bags. Until then, I'm more than happy to hold and to wait. Well, Andre, if people then don't enjoy the live stream, why they should push the button? Usually, half of the people that are watching are pushing the like button. And as you can see by yourself, we don't have too many people watching this live stream. That's a clear sign that people are losing interest. Takes a lot of patience to still be interested in crypto. Most of the people, they said, fuck it, it's a scam. I don't want to hear about Bitcoin anymore or about crypto. Well, let's take a look at TIA, people, because I know a lot of you are interested in TIA. There you go. We are kind of at the same level. We had a bounce here, nice one. And now we are retesting the low. Retesting this level. If you are interested in TIA, maybe you should pay attention. Maybe you should look for a daily W, if not a weekly one. Yeah, I could see it, Andre. We have 21 likes, not because I have the studio here and I see the likes and the comments and everything. So there are 21 people liking this video and 30 people watching. It's a good number. So TIA here, I think, is not a bad level. In the same time, if you go on CoinMarketCap and you unhide something, you will see that they are they are unlocking some TIA every fucking day. I'll show you, why not? Too much bullish talking about TIA, and let's put some reality and balance there, okay? Let's put some balance. I love TIA, I don't have a problem with it. So let's put the entire market. You can see we bounced, we rejected, and we are at 3.1. If I switch to market cap, you can see we had a higher high, so a big unlock happened here. Yeah, and you can see it's not the same bearishness. We are in the long reload zone only here. So look at the market cap, and I'll put the price again. It's a big difference. Now, if you go lower on coin market cap, I'm not using anything else. You can see the unlock. Yeah, but they are motherfuckers. Let's be honest. They hided something here. Small unlocks. Well, how the fuck you can call a daily unlock of 500,000 of coins here? Yeah? Value of $3 million at the market, a small unlock. Can you tell me how a $3 million unlock every day it's small? Please explain it to me. If $3 million every fucking day it's a small unlock, well, what is big then? Okay, so watch out for that, because the market cap is increasing with 500,000 of coins. Yeah, 500,000 of TIA every day, $3 million at the market price. This is the number of coins is the same, but the value of the TIA it's different every day. And look at it, for allocation to the seed, the initial core country, the motherfuckers will sell like shit. You think they'll hold? So people, I love TIA, I have TIA. Don't hope for TIA to get, I don't know, 100x. Be happy if you sell half on a double, get your money back, keep the rest for a 10, 20x, and I don't know. How long or how high will bounce, I don't know, because these small unlocks, well, let's put 97. October 30, 27. Yeah, you can see. The smaller and smaller, but let's put, I don't know, 1 to show 10. Let's show 100. And let's put the fourth page. In January 26, we'll have 300,000 every day. So every day we'll have unlocks. From now until, let's see, because we have something here. Probably 27. But you can see they will increase really strong until October 2025, and they will slow down. But until October, 3 million every fucking day. That's the reality, people. And people asked, why TIA is not at $100? Well, that's why. Because we had a fixed supply and then a big unlock, and they are increasing the supply. That's why the price is not pushing higher. Not because people don't like TIA. People like TIA too much, but you get the idea. I don't need to be more bearish than that. Yeah. So Andrei has some TIA for you, Bucur. Wants to sell you some TIA now. He saw these small unlocks here and he decided to sell TIA to you. Okay, so know the reality, people, and do whatever you want. Just know what's happening in reality. We can go on the entire list here and we can look at them and see what we have. For example, peer. We wanted peer at $2. Well, now we have it at $1.4. Look at it. It's going down. I'll still add a little bit, because why not? How low could go? Well, from 1.4 until 0. It's that simple. Yeah, let's see, Andrei. I'm really curious about that. Well, there you go. There you go. when I was telling the so-called Romanian crypto influencer that I want to buy e-gold at $20, at $10. They said I'm stupid. And they did dollar cost averaging at 100 here and this year. Well, this is the level. Well, I just got filled at 20 and maybe I'll even get a fill at 10. I don't know. The 5 above 5 was my entry last time, Andre. I don't know if we'll get there. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no, who knows. But I had a limit order at 20, got a fill. I have a limit order at 10. If I'll get a fill, I'll be more than happy. If we'll go to 5, I know, you know what I think about that $5 level, Andre? It's exactly like on Bitcoin. When price was below 20K and everyone was waiting for 8, 7, 6, 5. Remember? Everyone wanted lower and lower and lower. And they got punished. So be careful not to get on the same situation here. Buy 20, buy 10, buy 5 if you'll get there, but to wait only for 5, I don't think it's a good strategy. Remember, I had the same attitude when Bitcoin was below 20K, and at 15K I said, well guys, I don't know. Could go to 12, yes. Could go to 8, yes. But I'm definitely dollar cost averaging here because it's a damn good level. I'll say the same for e-gold here and for most of the altcoins. When the market is bearish, people want lower. When the market is going the top, people say higher. And they don't sell because they want more. At the lows, they don't buy because they want lower, and so on. Oh. Let's do a plan and let's respect the plan. Okay? Now, you said something about Pixel. Well, let's take a look at Pixel. Is that? No, it's not that. It's just exactly at this price when they started on Binance. Yeah. Not the best price action, but is that? No. I think we can get a similar attitude like here. So I think we'll bounce. Well, how high? I don't know. Usually we get at least a 38.2, and if the price is okay, we can get at least a 61.8. Short reload zone. So no, I don't consider nothing dead here. Short. So from 4 cents to 65, more than 10x. If I'll see a W here, I'll be more than happy to even take a trade here. No W, no trade, unfortunately, Andre. It's not only Binance Mafia. Don't say that. I see a lot of people saying Binance. The Binance put all the selling pressure until they put it there. Well, I have to say thank you to Binance. If people and the community is still strong, they will bounce it back. Come on, let's not put all the blame on Binance. Oh. So if I'll see a W, I'll play it. The worst case scenario, I could see just a 38.2, which means it's a 42 cents. Still at 10x here. So if you'll give me a weekly W, a smaller one, I'll be more than happy to buy. $2 cost average is not a bad level. If you trust Pixel and if you think Pixel is doing something and the community is still active and the developers are still active, are still working, why not? People don't expect to get 100x from the top. You have to hunt at the bottom. And you have to say thank you to the market when you see levels like this. Otherwise, you cannot get that big risk to reward. I know it's painful because we bought this level. So I bought this W. And now I bought $100 worth of Pixel here. Now it's worth only 25 and could go lower. But I don't intend to sell Pixel here. I intend to even play a trade on the long side if the market will give me a double. And sooner than later, I'll see that fucking W. I'm just a stupid trader with a plan, people. And I'll outperform 95% of the people on crypto. I don't have to be smart. I have to have a plan and clear rules. Okay? I know that I have to buy the bottom. It's painful, yes. I feel the need to buy now. No. I want to sell and go away, but I'm here to make money. And I know the big risk reward is from this level. Okay, I don't want to catch falling knife. I don't do that. I'll wait for a W. That will make me a window of risk. But you cannot expect 100x from $1, for example. When you had the market at 4 cents, come on, the high was $1. You think we'll retest a 50%, 50 cents at some point in time? It's up to you, people. I know it's painful. I see a lot of people, well, it's really painful, week by week, lower and lower. Yeah, that's how they manage to shake everyone. That happened last time, happened even to me partially. I know the feeling. It's really hard, but at the end, you have the strength to stay here or you don't have it. You have the strength to follow your plan or you don't have it. Simple question. And a simple answer you'll have to give. Okay. All the coins are looking similar, yeah? All the coins. For example, look at Mubi. Mubi at some point in time was 30 cents. And now it's 0.5. Not even 1 fucking cent. Not even 1. I see a W? No, I don't. It's pushing lower and lower. People will say it's dead, yes. Will consolidate more, yes. Will create a double at some point and will bounce, also yes, most probably. I'll be here to hunt, hopefully. I'm here day in, day out, so hopefully I'll pay attention. I have a small bag, it's not, the value is low, but you get the idea. Well, that's the plan, Andre, at least for my side. Let's call it that way. You invested $1,000. Now it's worth $200 or $300. And you want to sell it. For what? If you respect it from the beginning, that you should not invest the money you cannot afford to lose, and you only put the money you can afford, well, it will be painful, but you'll survive, you'll be okay, then you should approach the market zero or hero. If you put too much money, then you have a problem. Because that's why smart investors will tell you, don't invest the money you cannot afford to lose. It's a risky business. And now you can see it. People are seeing how risky it is, and they'll forget when the market will pump again. They'll say, well, fuck it, now we'll never come back down. Unfortunately. I'm watching Mana, for example, here at the lows, back down at the lows. You can go on the Decentraland and see what they are doing. Well, they are still working. Every time the market was dumping here, bounced back. So I could hunt here at W? I think I can. Will take a couple of months until we develop a W? Well, so be it. I'll wait. I'm here anyway. So it's up to you, people. I see 37 people watching us, 25 likes. That is it. From 1,500 people that they are in Discord, 37 are watching this live stream. That tells a lot about the sentiment here. We had the index sentiment at 8 last week. Come on. We know that we are close to a local bottom on altcoins, even on Bitcoin. How low they could drive it, I don't know. Keep in mind that Bitcoin supply is limited and they are pushing the price down. Yeah, Emmanuel, they'll come back when the market will pump, and we'll see 100, 200 people watching in the live stream. Well, that's the reality. Luckily, I'm making money from trading, and I could keep trading as long as the market will stay here at the lows. I don't care, because I don't need to touch that money. I could be patient and wait until the market will bounce back. And some of you, they have daily jobs. Similar. You don't have to touch the investment, just leave them there. Please don't panic. That's the worst feeling ever, to panic at the bottom and then to see the market doing 10x, 100x without you. It's a financial advice? No, it's not. It's what I do. When I say zero or hero, imagine that I have some chances to be zero. Not necessarily 100% hero. But I assume that risk from the moment I made the plan. When I made the plan, I put the risk first approach. I put the risk there. If we'll go to zero, what will happen? Well, let's be damn sure I'll be okay. So I'll put a small amount of money. And I planned, keeping in mind that everything could go to zero. Yeah? And I see new faces and I see people trying to trade and becoming better, like Manas and on VIP, and a lot of traders pushing it and trying and learning and making money in this because we have volatility. In my opinion, I could tell you a resume of the market pretty easy. Really nice environment for day traders, really nice. You can make a lot of money. Nothing to do for the moment for the swing traders because you don't have W's, you don't have anything yet. And good market for investors because they have the lows now. They could start dollar cost average. That's it. See you next time. Pretty simple. Swing traders should be damn patient and wait for W's. 4-hour W's, daily W's. Someone even asked me on Premium, why you don't post trades anymore? I don't see setups. If I don't see setups, I'm not posting. I posted a scalp earlier, hit my stop loss pretty fast. I don't have a problem with that. It was a 0.5. Well, market wants lower, I'll hunt the next W. But you get the idea. If I don't see setups, I'll just stay on the sidelines. Okay, people. Everything is red except this one. You can see it's bearishly testing the resistance now. We'll form a W here and then we'll become bullish, yes. To think this is bullish now, I don't think it's the best solution. If you have questions, if you have requests, I'll be more than happy to take a look. On lower time frame, for example, here, I'll show you just what we did earlier. I had this W here, 5-minute chart. I posted it, hit my stop loss, and now I'm waiting for another one. You can see the bullish divergence forming here on RSI, MACD, but look at the time frame here. This is day trading scalping, people. Nothing more, nothing less. Day trading scalping. You can see it's pushing lower. If you zoom out on 1 hour, you don't have any setups. If you put 4-hour chart, nothing yet. Okay? So, this is for a day trader, 1 hour. Nothing you can do here. 4-hour chart for a swing trader. No W, no trade. Simple as that. You can think some SFUs here if will be the case. If will be the case. But anyway, you get the idea. Let's see if we have any questions. Well, no. Andrei said something about e-gold. We talked e-gold. We talked about this one in the, I think, hand of Midas. It's approaching a nice level here. Will Wyckoff check this level? I don't know. What I'm waiting here, I'm waiting for a W. If I'll see a 4-hour W, I'll hunt a new setup. I have a bag. So I'm okay if we'll pump without a W, but I want a W here. Maybe I could frame something. Emmanuel is bearish until we'll form a weekly W, until we'll accept above 0.03. It's forming a bottom, but the bottom could stay. I talked about that in the beginning of the live stream. You should watch it at the beginning and you'll see it. So I'm waiting for a double here. Where will happen that double? I don't know. Preferably lower, but who knows. Yeah, watch the beginning of the live stream and you'll see. Weekly W or above 0.03. Above 0.03, a close above that level, that could mean something is changing in the market. I could go here on strong, not strong, that's the name, but you get the idea. Some coins are at the bottom. Maybe you should watch for a W here. I think it's trying to do something here for a setup, for a trade. Arena token, we had a nice W here at the lows at 88.6. We talked about the W. Nice development here. I sold here my bag. I unstuck everything, and I sold it. I'll buy it back here. Well, give me W's and I'll be more than happy to buy more. Yeah, I'll buy with the same money, but please give me a W. Give me the same behavior like we had here. Okay, I still think Arena could do something nice. AVAX, they have some events in Europe next week, I think. So maybe they'll do something. Who knows? Well, nobody's asking about Lambos anymore. Yeah, that's true. Someone said about Tau. Well, let's look at Tau. I want Tau. Give me Tau. Look at it. Look at Tau. Remember this level? Remember long reload zone? Well, there you go. Remember someone that shield the Tau here at $700? You remember someone specifically? And I bet if I go on your Twitter, I could find that at least half of you still follow that guy. You can see what he did. Sorry, people. That's the harsh reality. Good morning, Katalin. That's the harsh reality. If we'll accept below 200, well, we bought at 200. If we'll accept back to below 200, we can start dollar cost averaging again, Marius. So we bought $200 level. What we'll do next, I don't know. You can start dollar cost averaging. We discussed in VIP about dollar cost average. And I showed VIP people the simplest strategy for their pension fund. I'll not tell it in public. It's pretty simple. Anyone can do it. We discussed it in Discord. I know, BJ. I know it's not a complete chart history. I know. Insiders got below $5. That's why price is dumping really hard. Because some of them will say, well, fuck it. I bought it at $3 and now it's $250. Sell it. I don't care. Get my money. Get my profit. If we go back at $5, I should ride it all the way back down. No, sell it at the market. Could go back down back up at 700, 800, yeah. But people, accept a trade here. What's the risk reward? It's so great on Tau that you want to pay attention too much on Tau? Accept a setup. Okay, if you frame a window of risk and you have a good risk to reward, okay. But let's be honest. Tau is high even now. I don't want to go and put the chart with the $1 or $5, BJ. I don't want to do that. But you get the idea. And we discussed that when that motherfucker was shilling in the top, and I told you the same thing. Stefan was warning you here. Well, watch out, because this motherfucker He's one of the people insider with Tao. They put everything together and they said, well, let's shill it now and fill our selling orders. And they did. Public bought this stop again. Unfortunately, that's the reality, people. That's how the market is working. I'm trying to warn a lot of you, at least the people that are joining us in Crypto Traders Arena. Some of you will listen, some of you will not listen. So for the moment, people, let's be clear. Show me weekly W's on Tau and I'll buy it. No weekly W's, no trade. Well, show me for example, at the SFU at the lows here, you can see a lot of candles closing here at the same level. That's at $200. Show me a W there and I'll buy it. No W, no trade. Investing, well, I have a bag from 200. I don't want more. Sorry. Well, is one of the coins that doesn't care about what is happening for the moment, people. For the moment, because I don't know. You think this one is different? You want me to start over again? I don't think you want. I don't know that if you remember T at the top, I did the same story, same thing, and you said that I'm stupid. You can say it again, people. You can say it again. Look at this gap here. It's not it's a candle, a fair value gap, or call it whatever you want. Now we're at $6 and dropping like a hammer. I will show you why I draw this pattern here on lower time frame. You'll understand. But first support at $4. You want to buy this one? Not without a fake out and then a W. You want to buy this level at 1.5? Yeah, okay. You can start there. We have insiders, we have people from Crypto Traders Arena that they bought this level. Yeah, I know some of them. I have a bag, but it's too small. But I know some of them, they are enjoying this pump here. And they sold here some of it. I'll put a daily chart. You remember this pattern? Well, I'll put it here. You can see it? Yes, if you once, twice, 3 times, they took the high just to be sure that nobody will be able to short except insiders. So they created a top, they created a 3-bar fractal, they created another one, they tried here, and the third one. And this was actually the top. This will be a dead cat bounce, probably in short reload zone. Okay, let's see where it will stop. We'll bounce at some point in the short reload zone. And then we'll dump and we'll reload, most probably. Enjoy it, it's a nice chart, but if you asked where to buy, I just told you where to buy. Below 61.8, below 3.5, not 1 cent above. Ondo W, what time frame, Andrei? You're Ondo, let's see Ondo. KuCoin, let's take a KuCoin chart. Yeah. Where do you see that W? Look at the chart, Andrei. Where do you see the W? I'm waiting here. I don't see. I see the test of the lows here. Seems like it's failing, but no W, unfortunately. And if we'll push a bit lower, we'll create a new low. That means will not be a W, not even if we'll push back up. So be patient there, Andrei. Be patient on the wait for a clear daily W, something like this. The lower, the better. Okay. Well, not too many requests. People are tired. They have their bags exactly like me, most of you, full of altcoins. Nothing is pumping. What's the point to put more requests when you are full of your bag is full of shitcoins? Yeah, I get it. That's the reality, and I'm in the same situation like you. I just told you my approach. I'm not a financial advisor, people. That's the sentiment in when they want to shake the public off. That's the sentiment when they will put the market and keep the market at the lows. I know that. I choose my approach. It's up to you what you'll do. It's the same like on daily, Andre. It's the same like on daily, just fewer candles. It's retesting that W, so if you want to play to dollar cost average below 61.8 here, in this retest, okay. But the best scenario will still be this W. Sorry. Well, people, SSV. If you bought SSV at 26 or bought SSV at 64, well, you should love it here. I had a setup failed, and I'll wait for a W. I'll wait for a W. Well, that W will come, I don't know, at $8, at $1, at $4. I'll let market tell me when. For the moment, accepted below that support and is pushing lower. I don't like to catch falling knives. I'll put daily and I'll wait for a daily W. No W, no W, no trade. I have a spot bag, I'll sell it now. It's an investment. When will perform, will perform. If will go to zero, so be it. How long this bear sentiment could last? I don't know. Couple of weeks, couple of months. Could get worse before it'll get better? Yes. Yeah, it could. So prepare yourself, people. A lot of patience, like I told you in the beginning of the live stream. A lot of patience, respecting the plan, and hope for the best, because we don't know. That's why we are planning and we are using risk management. And we are not investing all the money in crypto, because crypto could fail. Some shitcoins could go to zero. That's why we have that approach. Well, that being said, people, if we don't have requests, let's call it a live stream. I talked by myself here for 1 hour. I don't think it's the case now to make a long live stream with 2 or 3 hours and talk about a lot of coins or take a lot of requests. It's a bearish sentiment. We should hold on. We should be strong and respect the plan. And that's it. I'll be here next week, next weekend, next weekly crypto review, episode 110, 120, 200. I'll be here. Some of you will be here for to hear me out or to stay in crypto and will still be with me, that's up to you. But if I'm healthy, I'll be here. Every week, every day, doing the same thing. For me, it's a passion. I love it. And I'll keep doing that. Okay. Let's call it a live stream then. Watch out on Bitcoin. I said I'll take the next W as a trade at the end of the weekly candle. Maybe we'll get a bounce. If I'll see a W, I'll take the next one. First one failed. I'll take the next one, but what I'm saying now is for traders, for day traders, not for investors. Okay, people. Nice to see that at least we have more than 30 people still joining, still being here, still trying to get the best of what we can get from crypto. Love that. I know that they are the same people that treated market like a business. I know that because otherwise you cannot succeed. Okay? See you people next time. Bye bye.